Hey, what's up, guys? I thought I'd drop a video note for you. This is for small businesses, and we are trying to help small businesses succeed with digital marketing, specifically SEO. Now, a lot of people that have small businesses really don't pay attention to SEO, or probably don't know enough about it. So I'm here to tell you guys that we are doing a free webinar. It's coming up soon. It's free for small businesses, so be sure to register for that and watch out for that video. But between now and then, I was trying to come on here and just give you guys a little bit of an update. I know we've promised some videos here last week and didn't get a chance to do that, so I want to just make sure that you guys are still there and to know that we're still here. But we've been working on this webinar, so we hope that this webinar helps a lot of businesses. We'll be going through just some basic strategies that small businesses can take into an action plan and then see results, right? Because the bottom line is, like, you can talk and buy all the stuff, all the marketing tools that you want, hire an agency, but the bottom line is, does it work, right? Because as a small business owner, you want to make sure that it works, and you want to make sure that you're not paying too much for it, right? Because you want to return your investment, but you don't want high costs for your investment. So that's what we're presenting pretty soon. Webinar. Stay tuned to this YouTube channel, and be sure to subscribe below, and also be sure to ring the bell, touch the bell, hit the bell, so that way you get the alerts when our next video goes up. And hope everybody's having a good week and looking forward to the weekend. So see you soon. Ciao.